Meet eyeZy for Android. Or simply, the most powerful phone monitoring software on the planet. With over 30 advanced features up its sleeve, eyeZy for Android is an all-in-one solution for all your monitoring needs. It gives you the power to see the conversations in chat apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, Snapchat, Tinder, and more. Take remote screenshots of their phone. Record every keystroke and see what they're typing. Set alerts for when they use certain words in chats or browsers. Monitor the phone's activity in the background mode without them knowing, and so much more. Ready to install eyeZy? Just follow these steps. Step 1. Register an eyeZy account and choose your membership. Step 2. Log into your account and choose eyeZy for Android as the installation method. Step 3. Grab the device you want to monitor and follow the simple step-by-step guide to connect it to your dashboard. And you're all set. Now you can keep your loved ones safe even when you're not around. eyeZy will be keeping guard for you. This Android solution isn't for you? Don't worry, we've got you covered, no matter what device they use. Just head to eyeZy.com or see our YouTube channel to find the solution that works for you. eyeZy Phone Monitoring. See everything, everywhere.